Well, I'm completely lost. In the last episode of Learn English with Minecraft, I went searching for some of the new things that they added in Minecraft version 1.20. And in this video, I'm going to continue searching for new things, but first, I need to find my way back home. I have a terrible sense of direction, and I don't see myself anywhere on my map. So I'm going to need to find my way back all on my own. I guess I'll start by sailing this way. Well, I'm going to get out of my boat like this, and uh-oh. I'll throw away some cobblestone and pick up my boat. I think I'm going to climb to the top of a mountain and see if I can see my house anywhere. Well, I don't see anything that looks familiar. Let's keep searching. My compass is pointing this way. Maybe I'll follow my compass and see where it takes me. Up here, up, 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 up. So this is where my compass is pointing me to, which definitely isn't my house. So my compass will not help me. Home? Where is my home? I'm lost. I don't know where to go. Okay. I'm going to get back in my boat and search by boat. My house is on the shore, so if I get close, I should be able to see it easily. Oh no. I don't see any land. None. It's completely ocean, as far as I can see. Oh no. I'm lost. Oh no. Well, I found this buried treasure map close to my house. So maybe if I find this buried treasure, I'll also be able to find my house. Let's head towards the X. I think it's this way? Oh, okay. I'm getting closer. Okay. This is the old shipwreck. Yeah. This is the shipwreck that I found in the last video. Oh. I remember seeing these turtles. I think they're the same turtles. I think I'm going in the right direction. Phew. I can see my house. Phew. I was really scared that I was never going to be able to find my house again. Oh. Phew. All right. I'm going to put away all of my things in my inventory, and then I'm going to build a better map. And then I'm going to search for the new things in Minecraft 1.20. Phew. Ah, my farm, my enchanting room, my mine. Phew. My tower, my chest room. Ah, that is a relief. All right, I'm going to put away all of my things. All right, I put away everything in my inventory that I don't need to bring with me. And now it's almost morning. And also, time for me. Oh, wait. I almost forgot to build a new map. Oh dear. Okay. Now I have a map that I can see myself on. That will help. All right. Morning. Now, let's go searching for the new biome, the cherry blossom biome. Let's get in my boat, and we're sailing away. Goodbye again, house. All right. Uh-oh, an Enderman. I'm looking at you. Come get me. Uh-oh. Die, Enderman. All right. I killed the Enderman, but he didn't drop an eye. When you're fighting Enderman, you're always safe in the water because the Enderman can't go into the water. So it's safe. Cherry blossom biome? Where are you? Wow. This is a huge ocean. I'll sail far away if I have to find the cherry blossom biome. Another sunken ship. I'm going to explore it quickly. Down. Another treasure map. Uh-oh. To the surface. All right. There's more treasure up there. And let's go back down. Down. Another chest. Uh-oh. 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 Up. Swim up. All right. Back in the boat. And now let's quickly find some more buried treasure. This way. I think it's going to be up there on the shore. I'm going to eat this bread. All right. Am I close? Ah, I'm very close. Okay, let's get off of the boat and find the buried treasure. All right, I'm going to start digging right here. There it is, the treasure. All right, what's inside? Lots of stuff. All right, I'm going to break this chest and take it all. Like this. And let's continue searching for the cherry blossom biome. Off we go. So far, I haven't seen anything new. But we'll continue searching. Whoa. It looks very cold over there. I'm going to get off of my boat like this and search on land. Or on ice. This river is completely frozen. It's very slippery. It's slippery. Ooh, and there's some snow on the ground over there. The sun is going down. Soon, it'll be completely dark. Whoa! A village! I can see a village over there. That's good because it's getting dark. I can sleep in the village for tonight. All right. Wow. There are light posts and houses. Ooh, this is an igloo. Inside, there are people sleeping. I can hear a cat close by, going meow. Another house. All right, sir. Get out of the bed because I need to sleep. Sorry. And sleep time. Huh. And it's morning. All right. I'm glad that I found this village. Oh, polar bears. Uh-oh. Oh, geez. I'm sorry. I'm sorry. Leave me alone. Ah! I'm running away. This polar bear is mad at me. Uh-oh. Uh-oh. The polar bear is probably trying to protect its little baby. Okay. Bye, polar bear. I'm going away now. Oh my goodness. It's still chasing me. Uh-oh. Okay. I'm going to go in the water. I don't think it can swim. Oh wow, it can. It can. Oh no. I'm sorry. No. Where's my boat? Boat. Boat. Whoa. Let's go. Let's go, 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 go. Wow. Okay. I think I'm safe. Wow. That polar bear was really mad at me. All right. Let's continue our search for the cherry blossom biome. Wow, there are some huge mountains right here. I'm going to climb to the top of that mountain, and there I should be able to see if there's a cherry blossom biome nearby. Let's head towards the mountain. Oh, I can see a bee up there. Up, 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 up. I'm climbing up the mountain. Up, up, up. All right, I think I'm getting close. Close to the top. I was impaled by a stalagmite. Well, I guess that brings me to the end of this video. Like and subscribe. See ya.